I bought Bitcoin in 2016, and I'm still broke.
Working class crypto.
Yep, that's right. I bought Bitcoin in 2016, and I'm still broke. I'm still living paycheck to paycheck, clocking in and out, and I'm not a rich man yet. Way back in 2016, I saw a little video called, it was a TV show, Mr. Robot was the name of the show. And they mentioned something about Bitcoin, and I thought it was some fake thing they made up on the show. It is real, man. It is the way to go. And I did all the research and was convinced this is our new money. This is the future. And, I was sold on the paradigm shift of finance, and everything was going to be better, right? So, about $5 worth. Yeah. Should have bought more. Should have bought a lot more. But, I didn't really have much, so I collected $5 here, $5 there. Kept going, and by the time the 2017 bull market was really peaking out, about $20,000 was when I had accumulated about 0.3 Bitcoin, but then I was selling, and I sold too early. And once it got to 20, I'm like, oh, well, now it's gotten to 20. Oh, it's going to go up. It's going to the moon now. So I'm going to buy some and then just cash in and go buy my yacht tomorrow. So let's do that. So I bought more, bought at the top, and rode my bags all the way down. Yeah. I carried the drywall down to the basement with my nail bags on. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I should have bought more, but I'm holding on to it, man. I'm into the crypto thing. I got it. I got more of a savings than I did before, but I just didn't win the lottery. I didn't buy Shiba Inu when I shoulda, because then, yachts for everybody, I guess. I still don't know why I can't make the right move, because, I hear from the most trusted source. His name's Bowtie Larry, and he just gets right to the point, and he tells it how it is. In fact, let's listen to him right now. He's tuning in, and let's have a listen.
Wait just a minute, folks. What do we have here? The crypto skies are dark today, with winds uprooting the local plant life and my wallet. Bitcoin is at $104,000 and falling like a knife. You better catch it before it hits the ground. Ethereum at $2,500, always following Bitcoin. XRP is at $2.11. Well, wake me up when I'm a rich man. Well, that's all I've got for today. I'm Bowtie Larry. Tune in tomorrow for the most reliable news source.
Well, you heard it, folks. That's how it is, man. That's the way it is. But basically, why I've got you here, the purpose of my show, starting a new channel. It shows for the working class, the folks grinding just to keep the lights on. I'm not promising a moonshot. I'm here to make the mistakes so that you don't have to. Let me be the cautionary tale, alright? Because it seems like whatever I do is the wrong decision. So, as long as you do the opposite of what I'm doing, you should be great. You'll be good. In fact, after Mother